Essay on the ostrich in English. The ostrich is the largest of all birds. Some ostriches are 8 feet high. The ostrich is so strong that, like a horse, it can carry a man. It has a long neck and a small head. It carries its head and neck erect. Its wings are small and it cannot fly. But it has very strong legs. It can run faster than a horse. It defends itself by kicking. A kick from an ostrich can lame a horse or kill a man. The ostrich is found in Africa. It lives in dry sandy wastes or country covered with low bushes. It feeds on grass, leaves, seeds, and berries. Wild ostriches are very shy. They are hard to catch, for they run so fast. Ostriches are hunted for the sake of their feathers. Ostrich feathers are very costly. Ladies in Western countries buy them for their hats. Ostriches are now bred in large farms in Africa. The sale of their feathers pays well. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.